What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be eating Chick-fil-A, and we're trying a new pimento cheese sandwich, which I'm apprehensive to try this because I seen it on the commercial and it looks absolutely fucking nasty, to be honest with you. Like, but here it is. Oh, that don't look too bad. I guess it's just shredded cheese and mixed with something else. That's the pimento cheese. I don't know why on the internet or online or on the commercial it looks like throw up, but this looks a little bit better because I can actually see the cheese in it, and I guess it's got like some peppers and some type of cream. This definitely is not like I don't think pimento cheese is like something that's in my culture, but I don't know. But of course I got the large fry. The waffle fry, you know, these always hitting. I don't know if this is good. It's not too sunny out, so hopefully you guys can see me pretty good. But anyway, of course it doesn't look like it does on the commercial per usual, and they barely put any on there, which is okay because I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Actually, let me try that first. Yeah, it probably tastes good together. Let's try it. There's more on this side. It's actually not that bad, but Chick-fil-A is never really bad, so the chicken might be making up for the pimento cheese. I'm not sure about like pimento cheese, but it looks like it's shredded cheddar in the pimento cheese. I don't know much about it. That might be what it is. You guys let me know in the comments. But there's shredded cheese within the concoction of the pimento, whatever it is, cheese. But it does not taste bad. Let me do another bite. You know, it kind of has a sweetness to it too. I don't know. Like a little kick and a sweetness to it. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I just don't know how to explain it. It's just got a sweetness to it too. And that very well could be the type of bun that they used. Yeah, it's not bad. Well, honestly, me personally, I would rather have it without it. It does have a little kick to it, so I think pimento, that is peppers. The red things are peppers in there. I have to look it up and see if pimento is like a spicy thing or not, but it's got a little kick to it. Very little, very, very, very little. Not nothing anybody can tolerate. It tastes like pepper, kind of black pepper. But yeah, I'd rather have this without the pimento cheese. But for what this is, if it's a limited edition, I'm not really sure if this is going to stay around for a while. I can give this a, I don't know. I don't really dislike it, but I would never order this again with this on there. So I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. Because no matter what, Chick-fil-A is just good. So the chicken is making up for whatever if you don't like that. And it's easily scraped off. So I say 8 out of 10 is a pretty good score for this, because you can't go wrong with Chick-fil-A. They have really nothing nasty on their menu but this, I guess, if this was considered nasty. But I think this is still tolerable for anybody to at least go try. Maybe not fall in love with, but at least go try it. So yeah, 8 out of 10, that's a solid score. And yeah, I think you guys can go try this if you like pimento cheese, because if you like it, this will be right up your alley. I personally have never had it before because it does not look appetizing, and it's really one of those things that would be at like Christmas parties or something. It's just kind of off in a bowl. I think you eat it with crackers most of the time. I might be wrong on that, but this looks like something in a bowl that I would see at certain Christmas parties or certain party gatherings or whatever that I just didn't touch. Like, I'm a meat and potatoes guy. That is just, it just looks like throw up, especially on the commercial. It really looks like throw up. Like kindergarten, you know, that kid that would throw up, or the kids that would throw up in kindergarten. I don't know why it reminds me of that. Maybe it's just my personal experiences, but that's what that commercial looks like. It looks like some kindergarten throw up, and then the janitor comes through with that stuff that, you know, dries it all up. It has a funky smell to it too. Yeah, anyway guys, that's it for this video. This was a good try, a good thing that I've tried once, will never try again. But if there's any other things that you guys could think of that I can go try, let me know. This one was recommended by Real Name Kevin. Anybody else that's looking at this, let me know. Give me some advice on what's new, what's out there, because you might see something that I don't see, or you might know something that's on a menu that I just don't know about, because I'm definitely a creature of habit. I'll eat the same thing at the same place all the time when I go to those certain restaurants. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to try something else that's new on these menus out here. I know Sonic has like buffalo bites. I was thinking about trying that. At a different location in my hometown. I heard they don't be washing their hands, but you know, that could be anywhere. It could be here at Chick-fil-A, but I might have to call Dan on that one, you feel me? But anyway guys, yeah, 8 out of 10. Go try this if you like pimento cheese. I'm pretty sure you would enjoy it, especially if you already enjoy Chick-fil-A. Go try it out. Let me know what you want me to try next, and guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Stay positive and keep moving forward. I'll catch you in the next one.